Daddy, you're sweeping the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see you sweep up. Let me see you sweep up. Oh, you're putting away the broom. Oh. Oh, thank you so much, Debbie. Thank you. Oh, now you're getting your little broom. That's Debbie's broom?
Yeah.
Thank you, Debbie. Thank you. You're making the floor so clean. You're moving the chair so you can get underneath the table?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you. Whoa, not on the table. Not on the table. Let's say hi to Shayna. Shayna's sleeping. Shayna's little pretty pants. Hey, Shayna. We just woke you up.